How to cool down overheating iPhone? Well, the first thing I will suggest you to do is just switch off your iPhone for like 5 to 6 minutes and turn it on again. It'll be fixed. And the next thing is, if you're using iPhone on a really hot area, or like the place where there's like a really high heat, or like in a really bright sunny area, then of course your iPhone is going to heat after some time. So the only way to fix it is take it to a cool place and let it rest for some time and use it, or just switch it off as I said in the intro, because it is heating up physically. So there's no reason you can do anything. And the next thing is, if you're using your iPhone while it's being charged, do not do that. It's going to affect your battery health, and that could be the reason why it's overheating. So don't also do that if you're doing it. And the next thing which you can do is just open up your settings, and from here you want to click on battery, and from inside a battery, make sure over here battery health and charging, click on it. And from here, make sure optimized battery charging is on, and your problem should be fixed. So these are the only steps you can take in order to cool down your overheating iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.